Well, here's Precious Piper cleaning herself in the lobby. Yeah, she's enjoying sitting here and relaxing and keeping an eye on things. Yeah, she's a good security guard right here. But you have to do something to keep yourself awake, so she's cleaning herself. Look at that. Yeah, no wonder she looks like a sweet little plush toy. Yeah, nice and clean. Clean and nice. Look at that. Look at her little tootsie stretched out there. Oh my goodness. That's pretty cute. That's pretty cute, I think so. Oh, yeah, she's just working on it there. Look at that tail action while she's cleaning her leg. Yeah, I guess it helps her to pace herself. Look at that. It kind of goes in sync with her licking. See that? She has to have it's like there's music in her head while she's doing this. Oh, look at that. There's my long kitty. Look at her. There's my long kitty. I just love watching Piper do stuff like this. Yeah, we'll just let her get back to her cleaning. But I think it's pretty cute.